If you've ever wanted to instantly beam photos or short videos to a digital frame sitting in your parents' living room across the country, you've probably stumbled across the Frameo app, so the big question is it actually legit? Or is there something you should be careful about? Frameo definitely shows up like a real contender in the photo sharing world, considering it's available on both the Play Store and the App Store, sitting there with millions of downloads and a pretty active presence online. You'll even find a transparent team page and customer support that actually responds, which already puts it ahead of the shady apps floating around. The concept is simple. You take a photo or a short video, send it through the app, and boom, it appears on a Wi-Fi connected digital frame almost instantly. During testing, the uploads are fairly smooth. The notifications hit on time, and the frame displayed everything without the usual glitches you'd expect from budget-friendly setups. Still, it's not all perfect vibes. Some users report occasional lag, especially with longer videos. And certain frames using Frameo, as their operating system vary in quality depending on the manufacturer, meaning the app is solid, but the hardware isn't always consistent. Plus, while the app doesn't scream scam in any way, you should still be cautious about privacy since sending personal photos over the internet always carries some level of risk, no matter the platform. Overall, Frameo lands somewhere in the middle. Not a sketchy scam app hiding in the shadows, but not a flawless miracle either. It works, it's convenient, it's trusted by a large user base. And as long as you're using a good digital frame and staying mindful of what you share, it's a pretty decent option for staying connected with your loved ones.